It's here! Ooh. Ta-da. Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So, I just filmed my what's in my bag video and I said that my new bag should be getting here soon, and literally like 5 to 10 minutes later it came. So we are going to open it together. So I've got my knife here. So I got this bag on Kate Spade and it was already on sale, and then they were having like a surprise 30% off sale. So it was too good of a deal to pass up. So I got it. I wanted this bag when it first came out, but I wasn't. Why? Why? Always. What? I wanted this bag when it first came out, but with the price I wasn't entirely sold on it, but since I got it for a really good discount, I was like, I need it. So, Kate Spade, you know, and here is the bag in this cute little Kate Spade plastic wrap, and my receipt. And this is a final sale because it was on sale so much, so I can't return it, but that's fine. I really like it, or at least I did online. I think I'll like it in person. So, undoing the plastic, we have the bag in this plastic wrap, I don't know, and then undoing that, we have the bag. Ooh, what? This is the bag. Here it is, with the shoulder thing hanging up. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Here is my bag. This is so gorgeous. It is the Kate Spade Romy. Is that how you say it? Romy? It's something like that. Yeah, in the black color. I believe that this is, they still have some. If it is, I'll have it linked down below. But this is the outside. I think, like, it looks like a mix between the Fendi, like, peekaboo bags and a Hermes Grace Kelly bag to me. But it's got like a pebbled leather on this side, and then the bottom and the back and the handle is all smooth leather. The leather feels divine. Smells divine. This is gorgeous. This is more gorgeous than I thought it was going to be. Like, already I'm happy with this purchase, and especially the good deal that I got on it. I think tax and all, it was like $203 and it's originally $398, so I got a really good deal on it. So this is how you open the bag. You turn this little heart into the spade, which I love that detail, and it opens like this. Look at that lining. So there's some of this in the pocket. There's some of this in a pocket. So I have my little Kate Spade booklet and like a ballerina pink. It's so pretty. I got a pink dust bag. With this being final sale, I didn't think I would get the pink dust bag, but I got one. I'll show it. But paper, maracas. Look! I got a pink dust bag. Yay! I wish that like I could hang this somewhere in my room because I died over these when I saw them. I'm so happy. I got a pink dust bag. But can we talk about the inside of this bag, guys? It's like suede and it's pink. Oh, that is so gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is like a high quality bag. I I mean, it's Kate Spade, but I mean, that's like super high quality. And then it's got a little slip pocket on the inside, which I'm probably not, if anything, I'm going to keep like my little booklet in there, but I don't think that I would actually put anything in there because it's kind of hard to get in. It's kind of like this one on the back. Oh, it's so pretty. This has like exceeded my expectations. But it's got a little pink Kate Spade tag on the inside. I'm going to close this real quick. Oh, this is so pretty. I can see why everybody made such a big fuss about this bag when it first came out. The only thing that I'm going to say, which I don't think bothers me too much, if you notice the top of the bag, like it's kind of uneven. I don't know if that's the leather doing it, like how they shipped it, or it looks kind of uneven at the top, but one, I can't return it because it's final sale, and two, it doesn't bother me that much because I'm not going to be looking at it like that. But I think maybe it's just the way that it's shipped. I might have to but it does have like a, could you not, have a crossbody strap on it. And what's interesting about this is it has like, I don't know what kind of buckle or anything you call this, but you push those through. Got it. So like that. This is really cute. I really like it. I'm glad I got it. This was a good purchase. And I got my pink dust bag, so I'm happy. So, this is like one of the only post Kate Spade, like the woman, Kate Spade, when she died, the company kind of went like a different direction. And this is the first bag, I think this came out post her dying, that I've liked by them. But this is so pretty. But yeah, it was $378 originally, and I got it tax, shipping and everything for $203. So I think that I got a good deal. But yeah, here it is. It's so pretty. I love it. Mwah. Welcome to the family. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stick around for others that I will have in the future. Like, subscribe, comment, click the bell notification, all that jazz. I also have my social media links on the screen. If you want to go follow me on there, you should. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.